Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make another what we call naked shake, which means it's basically just your Herbalife products in here and not much else to keep it really clean. And that makes these naked shakes a really fantastic option for an everyday choice for your weight loss programs. Today what we're going to make is a chocolate turtle, which is basically chocolate, caramel, and peanut butter. And I don't know how any combination could be any better than that. But every week, you guys, we post a new recipe video here, plus an additional video featuring the Herbalife products that we're personally using, how we're using them, and why we're using them. So be sure you hit the subscribe button and click that bell so you never miss an update when we post. So what we're going to do, let's go ahead and get this mixed up. I already have about a cup of ice here, which from my refrigerator winds up being about 12 ice cubes. And now I'm going to put water in to fill it to the 12-ounce mark. And I should have already put the water in. One of the things that I have found working with the ice from my refrigerator rather than like a crushed ice or bagged ice is that the ice is really hard, so it stays a little frostier. But one of the ways to soften that up and really creamy the shake is to go ahead and put the water around the ice for about a minute. It doesn't take very long before you start mixing things up, but I forgot to do that. So there's the tip. Today we're going to use our Dulce de Leche Formula 1, and this gives it that really fantastic caramely flavor. I like mine to be a little sweeter and more caramely, so I'll use 2 scoops of this, but another option that you totally could do is 1 scoop of the Dulce de Leche and 1 scoop of the Dutch chocolate. That's going to richen up the chocolate taste a little bit more, but we're going to do it with 2 scoops of this today. So 2 scoops of your Formula 1 always. And what I love about the Formula 1, you guys, you hear a lot of people talk about protein shakes, and your Herbalife shake is not just a protein shake, it's an actual meal replacement. So not only is your Formula 1 loaded with essential vitamins and minerals and nutrients that we need to feel and function our best, but it also is in a format that your body can absorb and use very quickly. So we're literally feeding the body at the cellular level. We're also today, we're going to use our chocolate protein drink mix, and this is how we customize your shake. So you want to make sure you know what your personal protein number is all the time when you're working with your Herbalife shakes, to know whether or not you need 1 scoop of your protein drink mix, 2 scoops, or 1.5 scoops. And you know, that's one of the things that us as your coaches can customize for you. I'm making this one for Keegan. His protein number requires 2 scoops of the protein. So we got 2 scoops of protein going in there. And again, you guys, this also is not just a protein powder. It's loaded with everything that your body needs to just feel its best and to truly feed the body. So not only your belly's full, but your body gets fed as well. I'm also using some powdered peanut butter, and probably about a teaspoon of the peanut butter in here, which I have a 1/2 teaspoon measuring in here, so I'm just going to do it a couple times. But yeah, about a teaspoon of this. If you like it really peanut buttery or really creamy, you might do 1.5 teaspoons. This is a really great way to add peanut flavor without a lot of calories. This powdered peanut butter is a fantastic thing to add to your shakes. All right, so we've got all that in there. That's all that's going in. And now we're going to blend this. And I've said it 100 times, and I'll probably say it at least 100 more to really get the consistency that you want for your shake. Yes, you play with your ice number or the number of ice cubes and the ounces of water, but really when you're doing it in the blender, it's going to come down to time in the blender. The longer you blend it, the creamier your shake is going to be. So I'm probably going to blend this for a good solid 60 seconds, maybe 90. Okay, and that's got it. So now I'm going to pull you guys in a little bit so you can really see the texture that we wound up with. That is just about perfect. And you guys, that's about all there is to it. So if you enjoyed this, please hit that like button. That helps us out more than you know. And also let us know what you'd like to see in these videos. Let us know what you like that you've already seen, and what questions that you have, because we pay attention to all of those comments and we want to know what you want to see so we can provide that for you. So that's it for today, you guys. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now. See you next time.